Hi guys, so today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So I got myself a Glossybox which came today in the post and I got really excited about it. So basically Glossybox is a subscription. It's £10 a month plus your postage and packaging, and it sends you like sample sizes and full sizes of things to try out. So this is the first one that I bought today, so I thought I'd share it with you. But this is the little cute box it comes in, and if I can open it, so inside it said pretty too. Let's pop that down there. So it comes nicely wrapped, it's got a little bow on, and that pretty much tells you what's in it. So it says, "Hey Glosses, your emergency supply of hair care, makeup and skincare is here. You're welcome. Our Beauty SOS box includes 5 essentials that will come to your rescue during this busy party season." I wish I was partying. Working too much. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, partying away or needing a boost the morning after, these wonder products will revive your hair and skin when you're most in need. This November box, we are truly honoured to give you the gift of Huda Beauty with a liquid matte lipstick to add to your collection. This is literally one of the main reasons why I ordered this, because I thought everybody that I work with like boasts about Huda Beauty so much. They say how amazing it is, how great all the products are, and I'm not one of those people that can just go out and buy really expensive makeups. Like, if I've got expensive makeup, it's usually because it's been my birthday or somebody's given it to me. Like, you can see the Kylie palette in the background. My friend gave me that the other day and I was like, I nearly cried, I was so happy. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this Huda Beauty. And then it says we've also included an extra treat from Chloe, so you look, feel and smell sumptuous this season. Don't worry Glossies, we've got your back, your glossy team. So this is the little leaflet that comes inside, and it tells you like everything that's in there, but I'm going to open it up first and see. So I'll just pop that there. So a ribbon, so I'm going to untie that and pop it to one side. Take off, I'm trying to take off this stick immediately, but I'm literally just lifting everything. Okay, oh, so it's really nicely wrapped on the inside, if you can see that, like, it's quite cute. So the thing I'm most excited about, so this is the Huda Beauty, which I'd have thought it'd have come in the box as it shows on the picture, but it's not. But I'm not bothered because it's Huda Beauty and I'm still happy either way. So this is supposed to be £18 if you buy it in the shop, and it's in the shade Girlfriend, so let's see. Oh, that is quite clear. Oh, that smells delicious. It smells like a mocha. Oh, that's really pretty. But that's like the shade that it is. So I'll pop it on my lips in a bit so you can see what it actually looks like on, because I've left no lipstick on for that exact reason. So I'll pop that down there. And then Chloe Nomad. So that's just a little sample size. And I've dropped it on the floor, but never mind. Retail, that would be £47, but obviously it's just a tiny little thing, so if you like it, I guess you can buy it. But that's like, I don't know, I think it's just like an extra treat, it says. And then we've got a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, softens, smooths, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture. So that's obviously a little travel size pot. So where is that? Yeah, Deluxe Mini. So that'd be £2, so it's not actually ridiculously expensive. But it says, in this weather your skin needs a major moisture boost. This award-winning formula effortlessly melts into a silky oil for an application. It's really a little pot of wonder, bursting with vitamin E, cocoa butter, not batter, and moisturise dry skin, lips, and smooths marks, scars, and even nourishes dry hair. Ooh! I don't think I'd want to put it on my hair, but yeah, it's good to know. I'll pop it down here. Right, so next one, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. Didn't think hair could get a sweaty odour, but that's that. And that would be, also this is a travel size when I thought it was an actual size and it seems quite big. This would be £10 from the shop, which says shop. It says Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This cruelty-free dry shampoo makes skipping a hair wash dangerously tempting. It cleans your hair by absorbing oil, sweat and odour, making your hair look, feel and smell clean. After spraying onto roots, wait 30 seconds until the powders turn white and then remove residue by massaging or brushing your hair. I want to see what it smells like. It doesn't really have a smell. Like most dry shampoos like I've found, like you have like quite a floral or sweet smell. This doesn't actually smell of anything unless it's just my nose. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you've got one and it smells. Next thing is Context Micro-Derm Regenerator. So that's that. And this is a deluxe mini. This is £6.50 to buy. And it says, we love this cute 2-in-1 cleanser with a difference using professional microdermabrasion crystals. It gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants also protect cells and fight free radical damage to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's cruelty and fragrance free too. So quite a few of these products are actually cruelty free, which is good. It's always nice to know that you're not harming any little animals whilst buying your products. And this is a little eyeshadow palette. Ooh, and it's Style London. It says Eaton Square eyeshadow palette, paraben free, vitamin E, mineral base and also cruelty free. Let's get into this. Little pieces of sellotape. Oh, so they're actually really nice colours. So you've got some shimmery shades and then 2 matte shades at the bottom, so they're like your bases, but they are really nice. You swatch it and see. Oh, they're actually quite creamy as well. I'm really bad at swatching as well, by the way, so don't judge me. My friend at work shouts at me all the time. She's like, put foundation on your arms first. It shows up better in your arms too white. But obviously I've not listened to it because I've not done that. So I don't know if you can really see these on camera, but they are actually my arms too. I don't know, I can't show you. They're really nice colours though, and they are quite pigmented and the shimmers are really shimmery. So let's see what this says. So it says Eaton eyeshadow palette from Style London. This pocket-sized cruelty-free palette has an endless possibilities for going out on the town, warming up your daytime look this season. From daytime neutrals to autumnal bronze hues, both matte and pearlescent, this is the only palette you'll need. But yeah, they are very autumnal colours, let's be fair. Like, there's nothing there that doesn't scream out autumn to me. Reds, oranges, golds, bronzes, browns. So yeah, so I'm actually quite impressed with this, to be honest with you. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in it. Yeah, and then your little spray, so 6 things in it. So for £10 you can't go wrong. So I'm gonna pop on this lipstick now and show you what it actually looks like, because it's dried lovely on my hand. Okay, so I've popped some of this on and I'm really impressed. It feels so light on my lips, they don't feel sticky, it's dried almost instantly. It doesn't feel like some of your other liquid matte lipsticks where they feel quite cakey and then they crack. It feels really nice and light. Like, I don't know, I feel like it could last fairly a long time. Like, you could have something to eat, have something to drink and it's not going to come off. It feels like there's literally nothing on my lips. And I'm also going to have a little spray of this and see what this is like. So no, that is nice. So that is Nomad by Chloe, and that is, oh, that's so nice. I can't even describe, like, it's just a really, really nice smell. And I'll see if it'll last all day as well. I'll pop it in the comments if it did last like all day, and how long this lipstick actually lasted as well. And I'll leave everything that I have got down in the comments, down in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click on subscribe.